Hey everyone. First, watch this video I created using Go Enhance AI. I converted it from a simple clip into an anime-style video. There are many channels creating videos like this and earning a lot. Now let me show you the process. Open Google and search for Go Enhance AI. Click on the first link and complete the simple login process. Upload your video, should be 5 seconds long. You can trim longer videos and convert them to cartoon style repeatedly. Select your desired style. I chose anime. The video will be generated in the same amount of time as its length, e.g. 4 seconds, video takes 4 minutes. I've got my video and the quality is good. One drawback, you need to create multiple emails for continuous use as you get 45 credits per email. You can buy credits or use VideoLeap. If you want a tutorial on VideoLeap, comment below. That's it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe.